Hello, my dear students. Welcome in another video lecture of our vertebrate structure and function paper. In our previous lectures, we talked about echinodermal ancestry theory and hemichordate ancestry theory, which were having somewhat 2 to 3 points or 2 to 3 similar features as that of vertebrates. And now, today, we will talk about the Eurochordate ancestry theory. Now, in this Eurocoded ancestry theory, I'm going to tell you about the similar features of Eurocodets that resembles with vertebrates or how they act as ancestor for vertebrates. So, basically, this theory suggests us the ancestry of Eurocodate to the vertebrates, how they act as an ancestor for vertebrates. So this Eurocoded ancestry theory is also called as Ascidian ancestry theory. As the another name of Eurocoded is Ascidia or Ascidiae. So that's why this theory is also named as Ascidian ancestry theory of vertebrate origin. So this theory was first proposed by W. Stang in 1928. So in 1928, W. Strang suggested or started this theory, or he was the initiator of this theory, but this theory was elaborated by NJ sorry by NJ Brill. Wait a minute. NJ Brill in 1955 in his book that was titled as Origin of Vertebrate. So in this book Origin of Vertebrates, he just explained or elaborated the theory which was proposed by W. Garstrang in 1928. In this theory, they suggest that the adult Eurochordates resemble chordates. So they suggest that there is a similarity between Eurochordates and primitive type of chordates. They are having certain similar uh, habits, we can say, like they both are like they both are sessile in nature. They are free swimmers, they are marine in nature, and they have filter feeding. So on the basis of these characteristics, this theory was proposed by W. Strang. And another thing is that I want to show you one picture. So here in this picture you can see that how these Eurochordates are just getting transformed. So this is the Eurochordate larva, which basically transforms into the tunicate, or we can say that herd mania or any other Eurochordate. But this larva is getting changed into tadpole larva. Now what is tadpole larva? It's basically it is tadpole shape of larva. That's why it is mm, just named as tadpole larva, we can say. It is not actually a tadpole larva, it just resembles like tadpole. This is actually an Ascadian larva. So this Ascadian larva, you might have learned about this in your previous year, or we can say that in your first semester in paper of that invertebrate structure and function. So how we can say that this particular larva is responsible? So this theory suggests that, or according to this theory, that there are some larvae which fail to develop or metamorphose, and then they develop as a sexually modified animal, and later they evolved into cephalochordate invertebrates. So this is the basic feature, or this is the basic may we can say the point of this particular theory. So let us get to the another picture. Now this is the Ascidian larva, you can see here. This is the Ascadian larva, and this is the actual tadpole larva of our frog. So we can see there is more resemblance in between them. So the resemblance is that they both are elongated, and they both are bilaterally symmetrical. They are free swimmer creatures, and they are having pharyngeal gill slits. They have notochord, they have nerve cord, and they have post anal tail. So these are the common factors or common things on the basis of what the gastrang and our brill, not our, whatever, the brill suggested that these Ascidians or Urochordates might be ancestor for cephalochordates as well as for vertebrates. But this theory does not seem perfect. Why it doesn't seem perfect? Because of the sessile nature, that they haven't given the exact uh, particular, we can say, evidence for the proval or to prove this particular theory. That's why this theory is also not perfect according to the some scientists. So here this Eurochordate ancestry theory ends, and in our next lecture we will talk about the fourth theory, that is cephalochordate ancestry theory. Have a nice day.